Officer of Molecular Biology. Today I'm going to talk about the lab safety rules. Our outline for today: safety symbols, self-protection, how you protect yourself, your eye, your hand, and what is the proper outfit for the lab, sharp objects, electrical and heating safety, and finally we will talk about the emergency situation. Safety symbols. You must know the safety symbols. They appear in your laboratory activity and they will alert you to possible danger and remind you to work carefully. Use your head. Before you do any experiment, you must follow all the instructions given by your teacher and notify the teacher immediately regarding any accident. Always follow the procedure of your experiments and never do unauthorized experiments. Self-protection. How you can protect your eye in the lab. Wear safety glasses when working with chemicals, flames, or heating devices. It's better to wear glasses rather than contact lenses. Hand safety. If there is any chemical spill in your skin, notify your teacher and rinsing with water for 15 minutes. After you finish your experiments, by the end of the lab, wash your hands. Handle all the glassware, sharp tools, or heating containers carefully, and never touch, taste, or smell chemical. What is your proper outfit in the lab? Keep all long hair tied back, wear your lab coat, and wear shoes that completely cover your feet, as you can see here in the picture. Sharp objects. Always cut away from your finger and body when you cut anything in the lab. And carry all these sharp objects point down and never touch or catch, never. Always cut away when you
scissor or any
objects. Okay. When you use the scissor, cut away when you use the scissor, cut away from your finger or body. And when you carry any of these sharp objects, point them facing down, and never try to catch falling sharp objects. And if you have any broken glasses or sharp objects, try to put them in the yellow bin. Right? When you use scissor, cut away from your finger or body. Carry the sharp object with point and tip facing down, and never try to catch any falling sharp objects. The broken glasses and the sharp objects, place them in the yellow bin. Electrical and heating safety. First, we'll talk about the electrical safety. Only electrical plugs are to be placed into electrical outlets. When you finish any experiment, like using the microscope, unplug the electrical equipment after use. Keep all the electrical cords or wire away from the water for your safety. Heating safety. When you work with open flames, tie back hair and loose clothes. Never point any of these test tube to your friend or yourself, and never leave these.
Tie back your hair. Tie back your hair.
Okay. Okay. When you work with open flames, tie back your hair. Never point the end of the test tube to your friend or yourself. You shouldn't leave the heat source unattended, and do not place any hot glassware directly in cold water. You should never take any chemicals from the lab, touch any equipment or chemical or other material, and you shouldn't eat or drink in the lab and use any of the glass equipment to eat from it, and engage any practical jokes. لا.
ايوه اسمح لي الايت الجلاس ايت خليها برا لانه احنا بنقول له don't put يعني don't enter any food or drink inside بعدين نرجع نقول له use glasses وكل المعمل
واحدة.
يصير.
واحدة. طيب يعني قصدك أقول
يعني you should never
you should
these
never
are like most important things that you have to know.
وبعدين عند الأكل أقول
do not
don't
in food or drink inside.
بس أحس أي ممكن. You should never do إيش قلنا؟ You should never
do the following inside the lab.
You should never do the following inside the lab. Take any chemical from the lab, touch equipment, chemical or other material, and you can't bring any food or water inside the lab and engage in practical jokes. What you can do if you have any emergency situation. You need to know the location of these equipment, fire extinguisher, fire blanket, body shower, eye wash station, and finally first aid kit for faster
Faster engaging.
You must, what you can do if you have any emergency situation. You must know the location of the fire extinguisher, fire blanket, body shower, eye wash station, and fire aid kit for faster engagement. Thank you for your listening, and this is my contact information if you have any question.